Lucy. I'm an illustrator and lettering artist in Dallas, Fort Worth. I'm going to be walking you through my illustration process using paint, markers, pens, and pencils. So I'm really excited to show you my process and what I love to create and the colors I love to use. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to start off with the sketch. I'm using the HB pencil just to make sure that there are no lines whenever I go through it with the color. And I like to go in very lightly. I pretty much like to be free with my sketches and just refine it as I go through. But this is kind of the style. Keep it really natural, really fun. So I'm just going through, tweaking it a bit, fixing her chin. So we finished with the first step, which is sketching out all the figures. And now we get to go over with the marker. So I love to use Tombow. These are lettering pens, but I really love to use them to go over my sketches because I love the fine tip. So I'm gonna go over all the lines to start with and erase it, and then we'll get into the color. So I really like the way the Tombow pen kind of flows. I try to hit every line and kind of just give myself the freedom to create my own lines with this. And I may go back and add more thicker lines. And now we're gonna get into the color. I really love Copic markers, skin tones. Those are my go-tos for art like this. And I really love to use the pink for the lip colors for my girls. Here are my colors that I'll be using. Very much earth tones and very chill fall vibes. I really love to reference my colors with swatches here just to make sure that the color shows up the way I intended to. We'll start with skin tones. I'm really messy when it comes to applying color. I love coloring outside the lines. I love breaking the rules. I'm gonna go in with the second layer, kind of give her some shadow work. And I love how the Tombow pen does not bleed whenever I go over it with the Copic markers. I really love brush tips, so that's usually the side that I favor whenever I use my Copic markers. It's all about just having fun and being free with your art. Now I like to go through with a little outline to make the line work pop a little more. Alright, and we're all done. This is a marker illustration created by me, Untitled Chapter.